Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. In today's video, you will see a natural bug spray to get rid of ants, flies, mosquitoes, and other insects. Although we think of them as inconvenient guests, insects play an important role in nature. Instead of killing them, it is better to think of ways to drive them away from our houses or gardens. Ants like sweet things, but this doesn't mean only sugar. Certain flowers and plants also attract them. If you have a garden, kitchen garden, or live close to green areas, you probably know how hard it is to keep ants away. Flies and mosquitoes bring lots of discomforts, especially on hot days and at night. Let's see the ingredients of this instant coffee and clove recipe to get rid of them once and for all. According to a study from the University of Fukuoka, Japan, coffee powder has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Research says caffeine inhibits the enzymes of herbivore insects' nervous system, and so could be helpful in the development of potent and cheap strategies to control flies. Cloves have insecticide power and antiseptic, bactericide, and fungicide properties, making this ingredient a good repellent. Now let's see how to make a natural repellent to get rid of insects. Write down the ingredients: 6.75 ounces rubbing alcohol, 46% or 70%, 1 tablespoon instant coffee, 10 cloves. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. How to do it? Pour the alcohol into a container. Add the instant coffee, then mix well until it is completely dissolved. Add the cloves and stir once more. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, close it, and let it sit for a whole day before using. Spray the solution over the kitchen sink, aisles, furniture, around the corners, and anywhere ants usually pass by. Before using it, apply some repellent on your elbow to make an allergy test. If you don't show any allergic reactions, spray the repellent on your legs to get rid of mosquitoes. It is important to shake before each use and never apply it on children. This product's shelf life is as long as it keeps its original characteristics. That is, you can keep using it for as long as the color and smell are pleasing. Keep your repellent in a cool, dry, and airy place and away from children to avoid any accidental ingestion. In case of infestation at your home or for pest control in commercial areas, it is better to hire a professional service with a sanitary license. These services have the technical knowledge needed to avoid intoxication and environmental contamination. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.